Shubor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Union Minister of State Ubadepet Yakapnat Ports, Shipping but Waterways Shantanu Thakur Hakasi Thodiang Ulong Bagajingduna Ban Penso Tho Patba Bat Kajing Assam Jingtip Kapenlong Yakaseng Banduna Yakajing Jingkyrshan Ban Pynkhlaiñ Yaka Meghalaya Ulong Bagi Nongtrei Kaseng Kidang Trei Shitom Ban Pynkhlaiñ Banyo Jingkyrshan Nagipad Ba Kylleng Jylla Bat Udon Kajinget Baka BJP Kanla Ban Job Bongut Hak Election Assembly Jong Snem Arhajar Apupra Dak ba ay nuksay kajing State jong ka BJP ha West Bengal Thakur ulong ba kajing jong ka BJP ha Meghalaya kami na kajing jong ka Jylla ha Kylleng kajing Yalinti bat kajing long ki jaka ha kabayday ba kajing Jingkyrshan ha Kapot kajing Dapot jong ka India Bangladesh kan thop igi ka tu kat ni ki jaka ha Meghalaya Thakur ulong ba kakam Jingkyrshan kalay kendu jing ha ki jaka bompat ker ikibadon hajan ka zero line lani ulan bamarkhap bat uput bat menta kidang yekren bat ka sarkar Bangladesh halor kani
Opportunity to say something here. We are right now at the convention center in Meghalaya, and we stand for here just for what is the actual work have been done last 12 years by the Modi government. We are going to deliver every point in here, so you can ask me whatever you like to question.
so we would like
There is so many points, not only Meghalaya, that in the northeast zone, our honorable Prime Minister's his desire to develop each and everywhere in the northeast. I think that's a great opportunity we got after came the NDA Sarkar government. Okay, so we are getting the very much better. Well done in everywhere, and we are going to give that sense to you.
Well, sir, yes.
Okay, so actually I have to take the much knowledge. What I get, the information is going better, I think. So what need to do in next that this government will take over the all things.
Well, sir, we have.
It's lowland there, that is the West Bengal. So geographically it's easier to move everywhere, and people get the information what actually did by the Modi government, and therefore in West Bengal BJP government formed the government. I think this area is geographically little bit difficulty to move roaming around. So I think this is maybe a one kind of challenge for that.
But do you?
In one time, it is not possible to get the result in every state. Generally, BJP will well done in Meghalaya also in near future. I think so.
So
We have seen
I believe in Congress, so they will actually late to come to BJP is because their trust is in Congress. So I think generally, gradually they will be shifted in the BJP sector. So we are trying to make them believe that Modi government is a well performer. They are beside the people. If you understand, if you get the benefit from them, then it is better. We will be follow to them what they are working, what is their difficulties, what is their problem. We are going to solve in future.
sir, do you think?
After working, because I think our BJP workers doing well here, and they are trying to build a big BJP support by the state sides, I think by the party also. So I think it will be better in future.
So where do you?
Well, also the same position at the time. After that, BJP make them believe that BJP government is a NDA government is a trustable part. So when it will be come over in here, I mean in Meghalaya, that time BJP will go.
Do you think that West Bengal can be repeated here? Western Bengal example can be repeated here in Meghalaya as well.
Look, how BJP working in the nationwide, they are very faster and working in every sector. If Meghalaya get the touch of that, obviously BJP will form here.
So Meghalaya is not getting that touch.
I think a little bit lack of that. What I say, it's not a a lack of by our workers. It is a lack of communication. I think so.
So there have been like a lot of
Government's home ministry is very much focusing for the fencing. In West Bengal you already started to put the fencing in there, and I think where is the Bangladesh issue and fencing issue. So obviously if there is a missing fencing, so of course it will be covered up by the Ministry of Home Affairs. I think it is going better than past.
Will BJP also move to the Union Home Ministry to make this fencing work completed at least on a fast pace, because it is going very slow?
No, there is a difficulty. Difficulty because when we are going to put the fencing beside the zero line sector, so it came hindrance from the Bangladesh people. So this is also a difficulty to put the fencing in there. So after when it will be mutual, I mean they will consider it. We can of course make a fencing in there.
So how will you go about it?
Generally it will be covered up by step by step. No?